we came to a large-scale building materials factory to reveal to you the key role played by EPCB boilers here. The building materials industry has always been one of the pillars of society, and the use of efficient energy is particularly critical in this industry. In this boiler room, EPCB's boilers are operating efficiently and stably, providing reliable thermal energy support for the entire building materials production process. EPCB boilers adopt advanced low-nitrogen combustion technology, which not only improves combustion efficiency but also significantly reduces nitrogen oxide emissions. EPCB boilers are designed with energy efficiency, environmental protection and sustainability in mind. Through advanced control systems, we can realize intelligent monitoring and adjustment of boilers to ensure efficient operation under different working conditions. EPCB boilers adopt advanced technology, which not only makes breakthroughs in combustion efficiency, but also makes remarkable achievements in environmental protection. EPCB boilers make production smoother, reduce energy waste, and improve efficiency. The customer team is very satisfied and thanks EPCB for providing such a reliable energy solution. If you have any questions or want to know more information, please contact EPCB Boiler.